What you see today is not just a car. It is a masterpiece. Its shine, its reflection, and its timeless beauty make it look like it just rolled out of a showroom. Every curve feels perfect. Every surface reflects light like a mirror. And every detail tells a story of care and precision. But the truth is, it wasn't always like this. There was a time when this car was buried under layers of dirt, rust, and neglect. Its paint had lost its glow. The body carried scars of time. The wheels were caked with years of mud and corrosion. It stood forgotten, like a memory no one wanted to revisit. Most people would have walked away. But restoration begins where others give up. The journey started with removing years of built-up grime. As water flowed over the surface and brushes scrubbed away the dirt, the original metal slowly began to breathe again. Each stroke revealed a hidden layer. Each rinse uncovered a glimpse of what once was. Beneath the mud and rust, the car still held its soul. Deep cleaning exposed damaged areas that needed attention. Rust was stripped away, dents were repaired, and worn surfaces were carefully restored. Piece by piece, the car began reclaiming its strength. This wasn't just repair, it was revival. Sanding smoothed the scars left by time. Fresh paint brought back the richness of its original color. Careful polishing restored depth and clarity, allowing the surface to shine once more. Chrome details were revived, wheels were renewed, and every edge was refined to perfection. With every step, the car transformed, not instantly, but patiently. Restoration is not about rushing results. It is about respecting history while rebuilding the future. It is about preserving character while restoring beauty. Every layer applied, every surface polished, and every detail perfected brought the machine closer to its former glory. And then came the moment of truth. Under the light, the surface gleamed again. The reflections returned. The curves regained their elegance. What once looked abandoned now stood proud, powerful, and alive. The car had not just been repaired, it had been reborn. When it finally rolled forward, it carried more than a polished finish. It carried history, craftsmanship, and the proof that time does not defeat what is rebuilt with care. Because this is more than restoration, it is a revolution. From rust to glory, legends never truly fade.